Hi everybody, Chris here. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration using the 9-inch sun ring, but you can use this in a similar way with the 4-inch sun ring. And it's kind of developed this idea from Slim Sperling. They use a tensor ring, and if you connect the feedback loop coil and the AccuVac coil to the tensor ring, you're increasing your surface area for the effect of those rings to work on it, and those coils to work on it. Now those coils, feedback loop and the AccuVac coil, draw off and draw out negative field, so negative energy from a space, and there's a void left there, and then you create positive field to return to that void or space. So what you're doing essentially is like an energetic, a bit like what they do for people that have kidney failure, where they have dialysis. The blood's taken out of the body, it's cleansed, then reinserted back into the body. So we're doing this on an energetic level. And you can do this by putting intention note within the sun ring, because the sun ring amplifies the effect of whatever you place the intent in the middle of it. So what I've done, just to demonstrate here, is I've put an intent note within the sun ring to work on my geopathic field. So that's a field that's my environment. So anything stuck or anything that is not my highest good within my geopathic field is going to be drawn out. Okay, and I've already done that component. This is the next component where this demonstration is to increase positive field, and allow positive field to now go into that space, into that void. You can put any intention note, whether it's a certain area of your body. The sun ring is wonderful for a number of things, just because you can place intent notes or your intent within it, and you can couple it up with a number of other tools. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to couple it up. Instead of using the tensor ring with the coils, I'm going to use the sun ring. Okay, it can be used either way. The sun ring just broadcasts that, I feel, to a deeper level. So here we go. Okay, so you'll notice here that we've got let's move that chair out of the way. The sun ring, this is the 9-inch sun ring. Okay, you could use a 4-inch variety, which is that one in its packet still. But that will work very well. It's just that the 4-inch sun ring goes 9 layers deep into the body, where this one goes 22 layers deep into the body. So it works at a faster rate, goes deeper into the body. So it's more of a practitioner size model. And then what we've got here is the AccuVac coil over here, and then we've got the feedback loop coil over here. And your AccuVac coil draws out negative field through one end like a vacuum, actually this end, because what we're going to do now is just increase positive field into that space of the intention notes I've written here inside the ring. So now that's going to feed positive energy that's been transmuted from negative field into positive field. Now the feedback loop takes negative field and straight away puts positive field back in. It works quicker, but you'll notice that it's a smaller coil, so you need to use it for a longer period of time. I find with clients that they like the feedback loop coil just because it's kind of a bit more user friendly. It's got a little clip on here. You can clip it on a certain area of your body, whether it's working on your throat or your head, or clip it on your belt buckle to work on your back. And you can just have it pointing at you while you're sleeping or anything, and it will work on your bioenergetic field. Where this one's stronger, okay, and this is the one I use for the majority of my clients. But yeah, they're fantastic product. So I'm going to stand over with my feet on either side of this ring, and that's going to work on the places I've put the intent notes. For this example, nervous system and my auditory system. So here we go. And all I do here is I just ask myself to push myself forward to tell me that it's currently working, and push me back when it's finished. So you'll notice that it's pulling me forward. You stay nice and relaxed. So you're using your body as muscle testing. Okay, your body's communicating with you. So at the moment, it's pushing me forward to telling me it's working on those two areas. So what we're doing is we're creating positive field, compatible field now on those two areas. Okay, so as you can see, it's nearly pushing me over. Okay, we just let that run, and once I'm pushed fully back, then I know that the clearing's finished. And there we go, and that's that done. So that's a demonstration of using the sun ring coupled with, because it amplifies anything you use it with, and that's the beauty about the sun ring. And I love the coils. I use that Activate coil every day with my clients because it's just a vibration frequency game. Everything's vibration and frequency. So if we can use a tool that vacuums non-compatible field out and then replace it with compatible field, that area of the body will start to work a lot better. Pain will be removed, inflammation will be removed. So those products I've got on my website, my product store at trulyholistic.net. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to contact me through my website or a question below. Anyway, cheers.